Congratulations to the newly crowned Mr. and Miss Autism. The East African Community Secretariat on Fisheries and Aquaculture is finalizing plans to release over 200 million shillings to combat illegal fishing on Lake Victoria. Now, the announcement was made during the 7th EAC meeting on fisheries in Kisumu, where illegal fishing was identified as a major threat to sustainable fisheries. The fund will also support aquaculture growth and implementation of agreed strategies for better lake management.
There was a fund which has been there and we have been keeping it. The reason has been that some of the partner states failed to come up with a memorandum of understanding on how we can transfer that money for operations.
This money will be dispersed to member states so that we can undertake those specific assignments of ensuring we clean up Lake Victoria.
In our different countries, we must cherish that Lake Victoria is our white gold that will give us revenue.
We are moving forward with common vision that collectively we have a historical responsibility to sustain this lake for the future generation.
What we have achieved today is to agree on the parameters and the challenges in the areas, like rightly put by my colleague from Uganda: illegal fishing, unregulated fishing, usage of disallowed equipment that ruins the potential that our lake has to offer.
Management of fisheries largely has changed from the ecology and biology of the lake to human behavior. So number one, we are going to speak to our people because they are the ones who are destroying this lake.
Circling back to the issue of